Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Hangout. Children, we have already learned what is verb. Yes or no? Here are the some 2-letter, 3-letter, 4-letter and 5-letter verbs which is shown here. am, is, arer, was, were, have, has, had, can, could, shall, should, will, would. Now these all the words are the verbs, and these verbs are called special verbs. Why it is called a special verb? Because when we are making it negative, these special verbs take not and ot, not after them. In short form, we can write it as an apostrophe T. For example, she is late. This is the positive sentence. Okay. She is not late. This is a negative sentence. Here I have added not, not, not. Okay. So when we add a short form of not, the sentence will be she isn't late. Okay. I would like to give you all a second example. That is, you can do it. This is a positive sentence. To make a negative, we can write it as you cannot do it. Or in the short form of not, we can write it as you can't do it. Children, just remember one thing, very important note. We never write can and not as two words. We always write them as one word. Like cannot. We have to join the word can and not, cannot. Then we can write can't. Can apostrophe T, can't. But we cannot write can space not. It is wrong. Okay, children? To make a question, we put the special verb in the beginning of the sentence. For example, she is late. Then to put the question, we can write it as is she late? Or negative sentence we can write isn't she late? See here I have added apostrophe T, not. Is not. ISN apostrophe T. Isn't she late? Second example, you can do it. Then positive sentence, can you do it? Negative sentence will be, can't you do it? Okay, children? Children, here are some short forms of negatives. Or we can say short form of negative words. Okay, for is not, we can write isn't. Are not, we can write aren't. Was not, we can write wasn't. Were not, we can write weren't. Has not, we can write hasn't. Have not, we can write haven't. Had not, we can write hadn't. Should not, we can write shouldn't. Will not, we can write won't. Would not, we can write wouldn't. Cannot, we can write can't. Could not, we can write couldn't. Okay, children? This short form of negative, you have to learn it by heart. Because this only negative will help you all to write the proper sentence. Okay? So children, now let's test yourself whether you have understood short forms of negatives and the special verbs or no. First question, rewrite each sentence as a question. Number 1, Misha will do it. Here we have to write a sentence by forming a question. So here we can form a question like, will Misha do it? We have written will before. Will Misha do it? Number 2, he can speak English. So here we have to make a sentence which can ask a question. Can he speak English? Question mark. Number 3. Rohan is going home. Then answer will be, is Rohan going home? Number 4. We should buy this book. Answer will be, should we buy this book? Okay children, let's move to question number 2. Rewrite each sentence as a negative. Use short form negatives. Okay, here it is said that we have to write the sentence again by using a negative. And we have to use the short form of a negative. Number 1. Arya was in the class. So here was is a verb. So we have to convert it into negative. So the answer will be Arya was will be wasn't. Okay. Wasn't in the class. Second one. Megha can speak Bengali. Now here can is a verb and we have to change it in the negative form. So answer will be Megha can't speak Bengali. Number 3. They are learning English. So here verb is are. So answer will be they aren't learning English. Number 4. The child is drinking milk. So here verb is. So answer will be the child isn't drinking milk. Question number 3. Rewrite each sentence as a negative question. First one. John is a tall boy. So here simple sentence is given. We have to make a negative question. Okay. So answer will be, isn't John a tall boy? Number 2. She has learned her lesson. Now your verb is has. So how we can write? Hasn't she learned her lesson? Question mark. Number 3. He could help his friends. Now here could is a verb. Okay. So how we can write the sentence? Couldn't he help his friends? Question mark. Number 4. Elephants are big animals. Now here are is a verb. Yes. So sentence will be, aren't elephants big animals? Okay children, clear? So children, I hope you must have understood what is special verb and negative verbs. How to make it negative by using the short form. So keep practicing and learning. Till then, thank you and goodbye.